Good morning, Eric here. I've got a very simple maintenance job I will do today. My 2017 XC90 Volvo. It's 7 years old, and I think previously the dealer had replaced the batteries probably about 3-4 years ago. I just think it's probably about the right time to have these batteries replaced. So I've bought a larger one for the rear and a smaller one for the front. So let's get started and get them replaced. So I'm going to change the rear battery, the bigger one first. It's located on the inside the compartment here in the left hand side. So I'm going to disconnect the terminal. It's always a good practice to disconnect the negative first. And when we reconnect the battery, we reconnect the earth, which is the negative, the last. So it would avoid the chance of when you're using a metal tools around the battery, avoid the chance of having a shortage between the chassis and the positive terminal. So got the old battery and new battery. Just change the drain tube from the old one to the new one. Cool. Gonna put the new battery into the car. Alright, I just replaced the large battery in the back. I'm a little bit cautious, just want to ensure that it works, so we'll start the car and let it run for 10 minutes. Alright, started okay. Seems like the new battery has enough charge to start the car, so no problem. I'll just charge it up for 10-15 minutes. Okay, got a bit of an issue, but easy fix. I've got an anti-roll bar installed between the strut towers. and it is in the way, and all I need to do is I have to temporarily unbolt it, take the anti-roll bar out, and so I can replace the battery. I have replaced both the rear and the front battery. Gonna start the car, and sure nothing goes wrong. Cool. And the very last part of the job is to take these old batteries down to the auto shop where I bought the new batteries from, and have these batteries sending back for recycling. Very simple job, and thanks for watching.